Today I'll show you how to create a repeating footer in Adobe InDesign using master pages. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a footer that automatically appears on every page you want, so you don't have to copy and paste anything manually. First, you'll want to open the Pages panel. If you don't see it on your screen, go up to the top menu bar, click on Window, and then choose Pages. The Pages panel is where you manage all of your document pages as well as your master pages, which are the secret to creating consistent elements like headers and footers. Inside the Pages panel, you'll notice two main sections. The top section shows master pages, and the bottom section shows the actual pages in your document. Look for a master page with a name like A Master. This is usually the default master page that comes with a new document. To edit it, simply double-click that master page thumbnail. You'll know you're on the master page because its name will appear at the top of the document window. Anything you place on this master page will automatically appear on any document pages that are using it. That's exactly what we want for a footer, because we want it to repeat consistently across multiple pages without extra work. Next, you'll set up the text area for your footer. Select the Type tool from the toolbar on the left. With the Type tool active, click and drag near the bottom of the page to draw a text frame. Position this frame exactly where you want the footer to appear on every page. You can nudge it into place using the arrow keys if you want more precise control. Now add your footer content inside that text frame. You have a couple of options here. One option is to type static text, such as a company name, a short label like confidential, or any other information that should appear the same on every page. Just click inside the text frame and start typing your desired footer text. If you want your footer to include page numbers that update automatically, you'll use a special character instead of typing the numbers by hand. With your text cursor in the frame, go to the Type menu at the top, choose Insert Special Character, then go to Markers and select Current Page Number. InDesign will place a placeholder character, but when you look at your actual document pages, that placeholder will display as the correct page number on each page. Once your text is in place, take a moment to style it so it matches your design. Use the character and paragraph settings to choose the font, size, color, and alignment. For example, you might center the text in the frame or align it to the left or right, depending on your layout. You can also adjust the frame width so the footer spans the area you want at the bottom. When you're happy with how the footer looks on the master page, it's time to apply that master to your actual document pages. Go back to the Pages panel. In the top section, locate the master page you just edited. In the bottom section, you'll see the thumbnails for all your document pages. Click and drag the master page thumbnail onto any page thumbnail you want it applied to. You'll see a small label on the page thumbnail indicating which master is in use. Once applied, your footer will appear automatically on those pages, with the static text and any dynamic page numbers displaying just as you set them up. If you ever need to update the footer later, simply return to the master page, make your changes once, and all linked pages will update instantly.